Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm with Monitor Exterior. We're out here in the Waukesha area, actually on the Monitor Exterior corporate office. We're just making these videos to clear up some miscommunications workers have had out in the field door knocking. I'm sure you've heard this pitch before by someone that just came up to your door. It goes something along the lines of, just, hi, I'm Dan, the roof man. I'm out here to help you today, to help you get a new free roof through your insurance. Now, the problem with that, no one can help you get a completely free roof. Even if you're approved, you still got to pay the deductible. And that's where we're coming in to clarify. So when you do get approved by the adjuster, which is the guy who comes out for an inspection just to see if you can be approved, they send you something called the RCV, split into two parts. The first part of that RCV is called the ACV. So for example, let's say it costs $20,000 to get a new roof, and you got around a $1,000 deductible. In that first check in the ACV, they send you $9,000. Now, in order for companies like us to get started, usually, we need that full first half, so full $10,000. So that's where you paying the deductible comes in. So the only out-of-pocket part that you're paying out of that is that $1,000 out of that 10 out of the first part. And then after that, we get started. The roofing company gets started on the work, and once we're done, they send you the other half of that, the $20,000, that $10,000, and then you just pay that to whatever contractor you had the work done, and then you're all good. Obviously, there are some more complicated bits that would take a lot longer to go into detail about, so I'm not going to take up too much of your time here. We just wanted to clarify that, make sure everyone was educated as they should be, and give some clarification. Thank you again for your time. My name is Jacob. I'm with Monitor Exterior out here in Waukesha. Have a good day.